Thales of Miletus was a Greek scientist and philosopher that in antiquity was considered one of the seven sages of Greece. He was born in 624 BC and died at the age of 78 years old. His knowledges about geometry were acquired in Egypt and then taught in Greece. He was an Anaximandros teacher. Thales didn't leave many writings about his works and discoveries, so it's hard to know very well his achievements, but there are some things we know about him. For example, that he directed a nautical school in Miletus, that he built a canal to divert the Halys River. He was the first Greek philosopher who tried to give a physical explanation of the universe, which for him was a rational space despite its apparent disorder. He considered that the basic element of the world was the water because it is in major quantity. It surrounds the earth and the life is impossible without it. Miletus in astronomy. He was the first man to predict an eclipse with an exact date, May 28 of the year 585 AC in Minor Asia. He determined exactly the quantity of days that a year has. He deduced that the moonlight is caused by the sunlight reflection. Also, he discovered the constellation Ursa Minor and that the moon was 700 times smaller than the sun. Miletus in geometry. He measured the height of the pyramids through the shadow projected by the sun. This is called empirical observation. He discovered the segment proportionality. He proposed the Thales theorem. He said that all diameter bisect the circumference, that the angles in the base of an isosceles triangle are equal, that the angles that are opposite the vertex are equal. Also, that two triangles that have two angles and one side equals are equal. Every angle inscribed in a semicircle is right, and also he was the first to study the magnetic phenomenon. He was a very important scientist because without the discoveries he made, we wouldn't be able to advance nor be where we are now.